Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today we're going to cover Tesla, Coinbase, Bitcoin, and Berkshire. Let's start with Tesla real quick. So as you can see, Tesla is using this uptrend that we took a while ago as support. And it's doing a pretty nice job tracking it as it goes up. So if Tesla decides to go up, we have probably another 12% to the upside until we encounter some major resistance from this purple line, and probably 15 to 16% up maximum. If this fail and we break this, then we'll probably use this purple trend line as support, which is 11% down. Now let's move on to Coinbase. So since we are still using this downtrend quite perfectly, I don't want to update it just yet, but as you can see, we're about to approach a major resistant area because we've been getting pushed back from this purple trend line, and now we are touching or very close to touching this gap 2 right there, which is like pretty much at 1%. And if we get a rejection from there, it would suck because that would be probably we're talking about easily 30% down. Now Bitcoin is pretty strong right now, and the state of the world is still pretty much in a lot of fear of the US losing its supremacy, so I doubt that's gonna happen. So if anything, I think it's much more likely that we're gonna break this, and once we break all of this, it's gonna be a super big breakout for Coinbase. That's what I'm thinking, but we have a lot of line that we are gonna need to break, especially those purple trend line, a major support area for this uptrend. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently using this yellow trend line as support, and it's kind of filling. Right now we are below it and we are squeezing in it, so it's not looking too great, but we still haven't touched gap 2 yet, which is actually a good news. So we're not ready to do a next leg down or anything in my opinion, but gap 2 is about 1.6% to the upside, and if we break gap 2, we have gap 1 about 6% to the upside. Now this white trend line might be a problem to break as well. So we have a lot of things to the upside, a lot of resistance to the upside. Now let's move on to Berkshire. So Berkshire is looking like we are finally breaking this purple trend line again, and we are using it as support, as you can see, but we don't have that much room to the upside before we encounter gap 1, and especially those long-term white trend line that I personally think that if we start touching these, the Berkshire stock might take a next leg down for a little while, because those are major uptrend line. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I wish you the best. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.